Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. So first thing you're going to need to do is open your Phantom Wallet, and from here just go to the crypto that you want to send. And then from here just tap on receive and copy the wallet address. Once you're done with that, go ahead and go to your Crypto.com. And then from here just go to your accounts and then go to your crypto wallet. And then from here, just tap on the Bitcoin since we're going to be sending Bitcoin to Phantom Wallet. So just tap on Bitcoin and then tap on withdraw. And then just go ahead and tap on external wallet and add wallet address. Tap on that. And then from here, you just have to paste here the wallet address that we've copied earlier from Phantom Wallet. So just tap on paste. And then from here, just have to name the wallet. It's up to you. And then once you're done with naming, just tap on continue. And then just go ahead and tap on yes, I trust this address. And then after that, your wallet address will be added to your withdrawal list. And it will show you this message also. You cannot withdraw funds yet. You have to wait for 24 hours. So once the 24 hours is over, you can then go ahead and withdraw crypto from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!